The nomad's winter-preserved horse meat holds greater value than French foie gras. When the first snow falls, they begin Domesday, their winter survival ritual. For centuries, they've perfected preserving meat to endure harsh winters. High-protein horse meat with fine fibers proves most resilient. Chopped meat and ribs are packed into translucent casings. Salt, wild peppercorns, and herbs adapt to family recipes. Masters leave rib bones protruding not for decoration, but to let smoke penetrate deeper during curing. Pine branches and wild fruit would smoke the meat for 3 days over low flames. This ancient dehydration method ensures preservation through winter. Cooking requires mountain spring water or melted snow. Boil fiercely, then simmer gently. Sliced hot with a sharp knife and served with raw onions. Paired with milk tea. This chewier than ham delicacy holds the nomad's 1,000-year wisdom of surviving harsh winters.